Okay, hi. This is so if it leaks or if it sprays, we repair. So this is Alexander Seva from Aparomoba Auto Doctors, and today we're repairing a steering rack for a Toyota RX. It was spraying. It was making noise from the driver's side and from the passenger side. So we have added the bushes, and there is no play. It's intact now.